Greetings, Mind Drive enthusiasts. It's always a pleasure to have your company. We're here to dive headfirst into the captivating realm of psychology and mental health, unearthing the mysteries of the mind. We're not just scratching the surface, we're delving deep, asking the complex questions. Today, we're teetering on the edge of a long-standing debate, a question that has puzzled scientists and philosophers alike for centuries: nature versus nurture. Now prepare to embark on a journey through the age-old debate of nature versus nurture. Have you ever wondered what makes you you? Is it your genes, your environment, or a combination of both? Welcome to the fascinating world of nature versus nurture. This long-standing debate seeks to answer a seemingly simple question: what shapes us more? Our genetic makeup, that's the nature part, or our environment and experiences, and that's the nurture bit. Imagine, if you will, a tiny seed. This seed has all the genetic information it needs to grow into a specific type of plant. That's nature at work, but that seed won't grow into a healthy plant without the right conditions. It needs sun, water, and good soil. Even then, the kind of plant it becomes will depend on how those conditions are provided. Too little sun and it might not flower, too much water and it might drown. That's nurture. Just like the seed, each of us carries a genetic blueprint within us. This blueprint holds the instructions for our physical features, like the color of our eyes, the shape of our nose, and even some aspects of our personality and intelligence. But that's just the start of the story. From the moment we're born, our experiences, environment, and relationships start to shape us, influencing how those genetic traits are expressed. So we see that nature and nurture are not opposing forces, but rather two sides of the same coin. They work together, intertwined, forming the complex web that makes us who we are. But the question remains, how do these two forces interact? Where does one end and the other begin? Think of nature and nurture not as opposing forces, but as two sides of the same coin. A coin that in the context of human development spins continuously, with each side influencing and being influenced by the other. This is what we call the bidirectional relationship between nature and nurture. Let's delve a bit deeper into this concept. You might have heard that your genes determine who you are, and that's partly true. Our genes do play a significant role in directing our physical and biological traits, but here's the kicker. Our life experiences can actually impact how these genes are expressed. This is a fascinating phenomenon known as gene-environment interaction. Consider this. You might have a genetic predisposition towards being tall, but if you're malnourished during your growing years, chances are you won't reach your potential height. Here, your nurturing environment, or lack thereof, has directly influenced the expression of your nature, your genes. However, it's not just about how our environment affects our genes. The relationship swings both ways. Our genetic makeup can also influence how we perceive, interpret, and respond to our surroundings. For instance, two individuals may react differently to the same stressful situation depending on their genetic predispositions. This intricate dance between nature and nurture underscores the need to adapt our nurturing approaches to suit individual needs. It's about understanding that everyone has a unique genetic makeup and life story, and these factors shape how they interact with the world around them. So it's not just about what you're born with, but also about what you experience and how you respond to it. It's about recognizing that the interaction of nature and nurture within us is an ongoing dynamic process, and that both elements play a vital role in defining who we are. Imagine a seed. Given the right conditions, sunlight, water, and fertile soil, it can grow into a magnificent tree, but without these it remains just a seed. Much like this seed, every individual possesses the potential to flourish if provided with the right environment. The seed, despite having all the genetic makeup to become a tree, will remain a seed if it's not given the suitable environment it needs to grow. Similarly, a child, regardless of their inherent abilities and talents, needs the right environment to cultivate their potential. Take, for instance, the analogy of a plant. A plant needs adequate sunlight, water, and nutrient-rich soil to grow. Too much or too little of any of these elements, and the plant might wither and die. Likewise, humans also require a balanced environment to thrive. This doesn't just mean physical conditions like food, water, and shelter, but also emotional and psychological factors like love, security, and stimulation. Every child is unique with their own set of strengths, weaknesses, and interests. Recognizing and nurturing these individual traits can help a child reach their full potential. However, it's crucial to remember that the nurturing process should be adaptive and responsive to each child's needs. Just like how different plants need varying amounts of sunlight, water, and nutrients, each child requires a unique blend of nurturing elements to thrive. Research has shown that life experiences can impact gene expression, reinforcing the importance of providing appropriate experiences to support children's growth and development. This underlines the dynamic dance between nature and nurture, where both are equally essential in shaping an individual. This brings us to the conclusion that nature and nurture are intertwined, each influencing the other in a dynamic dance of growth and development. So there you have it, the fascinating interplay between nature and nurture. We've unraveled the complex threads of this age-old debate, understanding that it's not just about nature or nurture, but the intricate dance between the two. Just like a plant needs both the right seed and the right environment to thrive, we too, as individuals, are shaped by our genetic makeup and our life experiences. We've underscored the importance of providing the right environment to support growth and development. It's clear that our experiences can even impact how our genes express themselves, emphasizing that nurturing is not a one-size-fits-all approach, but should be tailored to individual needs. Remember, each of us is a unique blend of nature and nurture, and this blend shapes us into who we are. It's a fascinating journey of discovery, one that we hope has sparked your curiosity to delve deeper into the fascinating world of psychology. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mind Drive. Until next time, keep exploring the depths of your mind.